Hi, I'm Ray. Today we're going to have a look at the plants that they have in Lidl's. There's new supply today on Sunday the 12th of April. So let's have a look and wait to the end and see what we purchased. So let's go and take a look at what they've got in Lidl today, the 12th of April. So not a lot to choose from today, but they have got these marguerites. These add an instant touch of summer with these daisy-like blooms, and these are $9.99. And then we've got confetti garden plants, very similar to petunia, all different colours, pinks, purples, yellows, whites, lots of colours, all for £2.99 a pot. Lots of choice. Then we've got some British bedding plants, we've got pansies, and we've also got sweet peas. These are British sweet peas, a timeless charm to any English garden. Lots to choose from. Pansies, these not looking great, not been looked after in this box, but there's plenty more underneath, and they're looking quite good as we go further down. So $2.99 for pansies, so $2.99 for sweet peas, and they look really good. So there wasn't much to choose from today. A lot of the plants from Thursday have all gone, so it's just left with some bedding plants. They didn't have any orchids, which was on display, or any of the plug plants, but they did have the summer bedding plants, petunias, and the sweet peas. So we bought some sweet peas. They're quite small, and we're going to plant them in the little planter. So let's show you what I'm going to do. So if you've seen my previous channel, you would have noticed this little planter, and we constructed it. So take a look back at the video. Last year we grew tomatoes, and we also grew the morning glory, which is why the ties are still on the one. But today we're going to plant the sweet peas from Lidl. So sweet peas, traditional scented sweet pea, producing masses of flowers, ideal for beds and patio containers. Planting: carefully remove plants by pushing them through the holes at the side of the pack. Flowers spring to summer. Position sun or partial shade, and space out 6 to 15 inches apart. Height 2 meters. Water well in dry, and then feed weekly. So this is our planter, and we're going to add some fresh compost on the top. Filling up to the top. It does come with the liner, so it protected the top, so it doesn't rot all the sides. There we go. So a nice fresh layer of compost, and then we're going to take our sweet peas. So I'm just going to squeeze and then slightly, just gently pinch out, and there we go. Some nice roots, one hanging down there, and I'm just going to push them towards the back, just slightly, so they're heading towards the trellis. And we're going to do our line all the way along, as gently as it goes. So 2, and I'm just going to use the whole tray to go all the way up. That'll be really good. Be a lovely display, and they would just come again, keep coming. If you keep chopping, taking the flowers off, they'll just keep coming, and hopefully the smell will be lovely. These are going to be by our seating area where we have our morning coffee, and hopefully the smell will be amazing. So there we go. Planting in. The sweet peas. Gonna give it a water. And then I'm just gonna give it a quick mulch of dried leaves, just to keep that moisture in. We're going to plant something else along the front. I'm not quite sure what's going to go in there yet. There we go. And that's the sweet peas planted for £2.99 a tray. I think that's a good deal.